So I've been asked by some of the followers, can I show some conduit work? Well, I haven't done conduit work for a little while, but for two reasons. I'm going to get this conduit bender out, and also I've been asked if I can make a light similar to this. So let's get the bender out and see if we've still got it. So this bender I got basically a traveller. It was down the scrapyard and he said he didn't know what it was. So I said, can I have it? He said, yeah, have it, mate, no worries. And to be honest with you, it's covered in grease and it's still in good nick. Look, still got that as well. That'll be good. It's got the 20mm on there. And it looks like it's going to do the trick. So one way to find out. So let's swing it round to start with, because what I want to try out first is what the vise is like and whether it's going to grip the conduit. So we've got ourselves a bit of conduit here. So what we want to do is make sure that the stocks and dies are still in good nick. And it ain't going to slip around, basically. Look at that, straight on. Yeah, that's not too bad. And we've got ourselves a coupler to make sure that it goes on nice. Look at that. So the dies are quite good still, which is surprising because I haven't used these in a long time. So then, let's see if we can still do a bubble set, shall we? That. 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 Oh, look at that, it's not really level. There. It might need a bit of practice. That's not a bubble set, is it? It's just bent it a bit. Right, yeah, it's probably going to need a bit more practice. But let me fine tune it and I'll do some more conduit bending videos. I can stick a 90 in it still. Bit of a mess, but it'll do. State of that.